Well, I'm looking really rough. I feel really rough. But basically, this moving experience have taken a lot. And redoing all of this. And to make it all better, last night I had a cyst rupture, which I get cysts on my ovaries normally every month when I have my period. Sometimes it doesn't happen every month if it's a good month. Basically every other month I have a bad period month where I bleed too much and I feel like I'm actually dying. And like, I hate to sound dramatic when I say that, but like, actually I don't want to move. Like, I can't move. Like, I feel like I cannot move because it's so painful. And normally I get cysts. Now, cysts always don't rupture. Sorry, I'm in front of my window. Basically they can get inflamed and get very big. So it's just like irritating. You can feel them, but they don't rupture. However, lucky me, a lot of the times, well, not a lot of the times, my cysts have ruptured 3 times. Last night was the 3rd time, or maybe the 4th. It might have been the 4th time, honestly. Basically, I've been having issues with it, but last night was probably one of the worst. The first one I had was definitely the worst one, obviously, because I wasn't expecting it. Basically, because that happened, 2018 was probably one of the worst years I have ever had. And my body has just decided to hate itself. So that's what I'm dealing with. And last night I had one rupture, I think. But actually it was different last night because normally I can feel it on one side. And like that kind of alternates. It's either one side or the other side. Last night I felt it on both sides. So basically I get pains right above my pelvic bone and like in between my pelvic bone and my stomach. So it's like really low right there. It's aching and it just feels like it's literally just like taking your body from like the inside and pulling it out. And I try not to be a big baby about it because obviously I need to get used to it because it's not like it's going to magically grow away. I mean, I get cysts and they grow and that's going to happen. But I mean, it feels so bad. Like I can't not complain about it, you know. I can't not have a breakdown about it. So today I'm feeling, it happened last night around 11:30, which it only happens when I'm on my periods. Like I said, I'm not on my period now, so I don't really know what it was or why both sides were hurting. So, but my mom made a doctor's appointment for me with my gynecologist. I'm sorry if this is way too TMI, but you know, like a lot of people don't realize what cysts on the ovaries mean and like how it affects you. But I woke up today and I feel a lot better than I did last night, obviously. I'm really aching. It kind of hurts the lower half of my body to move. I just feel really drained, honestly. It's just, I'm tired. It could be the medicine that I took last night too, but I just feel really aching. But I have a lot to do, so my room's not finished. I'm going to go through all of my clothes and figure out what to do with them. I have to go to the store, and it's my boyfriend's birthday this weekend, so I'm going to get him a birthday present. We were going through my makeup and basically just a lot of the random stuff that I had on the floor. So I got my makeup all done. It's over here in this big dresser, which I'll show you when everything's finished. I'm going to curl my hair. Sorry if I'm out of breath. I just wanted to explain that all, but I didn't want to take too long explaining it. So I'm putting my curling iron to 374. I have to put mine up a little bit higher because my hair has just gotten way too long and thick that like it won't curl. So yeah. Also, I got my new Beat Bop merch from Adelaine. Adelaine is definitely one of my favorite YouTubers, so yeah. I'm gonna do my makeup while that's heating up. I need my headband or my scrunchie. And I don't know where either one's is. BRB. So yeah, it's been, I've always wanted to do YouTube. I've always wanted to film. I've been on YouTube, or like, you know, making videos for 4 years now. I think 4. Yeah, I think it has been 4. So a long time, but obviously when I got older, I started having more problems, like naturally you do. I started hating the way I looked more, which to be fair, when I started YouTube, I did anyways. But I struggled with that for a while, so I just, if I ever felt ugly, I didn't want to be in front of a camera. I didn't want to look at myself hours while editing my videos. I didn't want to do any of that. So, speaking of, I look really bad right now, but like whatever. It was not a good place for me to be in and make videos no matter how much I wanted to. So, I'm trying this year to do what I want to do no matter what. So yeah, that's why I stopped doing YouTube videos, is because I just didn't feel like myself. I didn't feel like me looking at myself and doing my makeup on camera. I just couldn't do it. I just felt like I hated everything. I just hated everything. And I'm trying to not do that this year. So yeah, I just want to start doing this, honestly. Like, there's nothing really that I can't, like, I can't change what's happening. I can't go back and fix it. I can't do anything. So I'm gonna move forward and do what I want to do, which is this. I've always been intrigued by people that post things online. I've always loved doing makeup, and I love giving tips to people that don't know how to do their makeup. So doing this and, you know, helping somebody, even if it's not a lot of people, I don't really care. I like making videos. I've always liked making videos. So I'm gonna continue to do that. I'm just doing light makeup. I just want something so I don't... Really, I'm just doing this so I don't crawl in bed again. So I don't just lay in my bed, because I really don't want to do that. So, I'm going to do my makeup. And then hopefully go out and get Alex's present. And go through my clothes today, because that's what I need to do. That's what needs to be done. I've been getting so lazy with wetting my beauty blender that I literally just take my Mario Badescu rose water and just like soak the beauty blender with that. Yeah. Honestly though, I can't tell a difference, so like, does it matter? At least it's damp. Really bright. But yeah, I blended out my concealer. On days where I just don't, normally I only do like my full face when I'm doing like an actual look. Other than that, I normally just use concealer. I know, I just hate the feeling of foundation. Unless I like really need it, you know, I don't want to put it on. So now I'm going to go in with my Shot Missy, the AOA setting powder. I love this, honestly, and it's only $1. Obviously, you don't get that much, but last time I ordered for them, I ordered like 4. I hate when my eyes crease. Like, that is like my biggest pet peeve ever, if I see somebody's like eye creasing. Probably because that's what I used to struggle with a lot, especially when I first started doing my makeup, is like how to not make like your eyeshadow crease or like stuff like that. So it's just like one of my biggest pet peeves. Really skin at all, it's just my eyelids. Because I have hooded eyelids, you know, they close like all the way. So it just creases. And it bugs the crap out of me. Okay, now I'm going to contour with this Sonia Kashuk. It's an eyeshadow, but I love it to contour. See, it's just a really cool tone brown color, and I love it to contour. I honestly don't even know if they have this anymore because I've had it for so long. Okay, now I'm going to go in with highlight. I'm going to go in with this little mini Morphe highlight in the shade Spark. Honestly, I don't really see the point in getting the big one. Obviously, if you love it a lot, but there's a lot of product in this mini one. So I just got the mini one. Plus, I have so many highlighters, like I don't see the point in me getting the huge one. Because I just switch out my highlighter so much. This is really... There we go, that's better. Here. A little bit on the bridge. Like, it literally just smells like they shoved cucumbers in here, and it's the best thing ever. Okay, so now that my skin's still a little wet, I'm going to go back in with a highlight just on my cheekbones, just to make it pop a little bit more. And then do another spritz. Okay. I'm going to let that dry. I think I'm going to go ahead and move on to my hair and then do my eyes after. Okay, I'm done curling my hair. I also moved you. Sorry if you can see all that stuff in the background. Like I said, I have a lot to do to get this room ready, but I curled my hair a little bit. I never really curl it like evenly, I guess you would say. I normally just like curl some bits of it just so it looks good. Okay, if I'm gonna use yellow liner, I'm just gonna do a basic eye look. So I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and just do some of these like neutral shades, like right here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So this brown right here is my favorite brown color. I always use this color. To me, it's just like a perfect transition color for me. I'm also using the Morphe M514 brush that literally everybody has and everybody uses. Kind of like blend it up like that. I have my brush kind of to the side, like doing this. I feel like it just blends it out a lot easier. And I'm bringing it up slowly. I wish you could see a lot, but the window's making me all blown out because I'm so pale and my hair is so dark. So. Okay, I'm gonna use my Kylie yellow liner that came out with the Stormy collection. I like this one a lot. I know Adelaine uses the NYX one. I have a lot of the NYX shades, but they never have the yellow one in my Ulta. So okay, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Just take an angled brush and hopefully do this good because I haven't used a gel in so long. I like this eyeliner. I definitely think it could be more pigmented, but it's good for what it is. I'm sorry if me pulling on my eye like makes you freak out. I like literally have to if I'm doing gel, or else I will not get a straight line. Okay, I've done the other eye. I'm actually gonna set this eyeliner with the James Charles yellow eyeshadow in here. Like I said, I like the Kylie one. I think it glides on really nicely, but as far as opacity, it could be a lot better. And honestly, I just think the NYX ones are better. Even the ColourPop ones, I like the ColourPop ones a lot. So I'm just gonna take that yellow shade on a little pencil brush. I'm just gonna pat it on that. Yeah, that makes it a lot better. Now, because I want to add lashes to this look, I'm going to do a little, like, really thin black line just on the base of my... Okay. Now, I'm going to apply lashes. Okay, lashes are on. I'm putting on lipstick now. This is a AOA lipstick in Vibin'. Okay. I overline my lips. Yes, I know. But, you know, whatever. Okay, so here's the finished look. Yeah, I'm going to take some pictures in the new Bebop merch. And, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.